Never enter a full cabin again. We are Team UFT Solutions and we're here today to ensure that you are sitting on the seat that you want to sit in when you enter the train. This can be achieved by looking at the monitors that are connected to the sensors that we provide that will show you the seating available within the train before you board it. There's a problem at the moment where people are boarding the trains without knowing the seating availability. In order to ensure that you know which seat that you're sitting on, we have created a product called FSeat. FSeat basically mainly focuses on using smart sensor technology to show you where you're sitting. This smart sensor technology is connected to screens in the entrances of the train and on the station to ensure that you know where you're sitting when you're sitting. The way that it works is initially the cables are connected to the sensors that will be matched with the monitors that are located outside of the trains. So basically, the trains have three entrances, and those three entrances have three monitors. Those monitors will each display one third of the train's seating availability in order to ensure that it's more accurate whenever you're getting on the train, so you know which portion of the train that you're getting into has available seating when you're sitting on it. The second set of sensors that are available at the moment would be the ones that are located on the stations. The sensors that are located within the trains will also be connected to a Wi-Fi device that will transmit the seating availability onto the pre-existing monitors that are located in the trains, which will be detected by another sensor which would be linked to the train, which will detect the train's arrival time, basically 2.5 kilometers before it arrives, which is approximately 2 minutes before the train arrives at the station. This would give enough time for individuals to get onto which track that they want within the platform that they are on, so they could get onto the trains and know which cabins have seating availability. Our product will mainly cost $5,259.39 to build, and we will distribute it for $6,200 in order to make sufficient profit to make this business viable. The majority of the cost will go towards cabling, breadboards, monitors, sensors, and the Wi-Fi technology required to communicate with the different monitors within the stations. As you know, the public transportation system within Victoria are owned by certain organisations within the government. The trains are owned by PTV Victoria, or Public Transportation Victoria as they're known, and their main function is to take care of all the trains within Melbourne, Victoria. They're, in order for us to engage with them, we need to engage with them through email or through a meeting, and we need to show our presentation of how our product works and the likelihood benefits of our product to PTV as a whole. Our, our equipment is environmentally friendly, so it can be recycled every 5 years. And the upside of this is the copper cabling that will be used for the particular initial installation can be cashed in for cash. So we can make a profit by removing the copper cables and cashing them in certain metal scrap shops. The social impact is that it increases the quality of life of train users, as you know. Um, it shows the train users where they're going to sit, how they're going to sit, by using the monitors that would be available with our innovation. It will also help Victoria rise again as the global most livable city in the world. Well, Melbourne in specifically. And the future opportunities is that we could expand our product towards the domestic market, and we could also expand it towards using it for trams and transportation that are similar to that. Maybe the V liner also, if they're interested. And I would like to thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope that it has been insightful. Thank you so much.